High above the Earth's surface, nature's most mesmerizing light show takes center stage. The auroras, breathtaking displays of greens, pinks, and purples, are not just a spectacle, but a fascinating interaction between our planet and the sun. But what creates this cosmic dance? It all starts here, on the sun. The sun is constantly releasing streams of charged particles into space, known as solar winds. These winds are made up of electrons and protons traveling at incredible speeds, propelled by the sun's magnetic field. When these solar winds reach Earth, something magical happens. Our planet is surrounded by a protective magnetic field called the magnetosphere. This field acts like a shield, deflecting most of the solar wind particles away. But some, guided by Earth's magnetic field lines, are drawn toward the poles. As these charged particles plunge into the Earth's upper atmosphere, they collide with oxygen and nitrogen molecules. These collisions energize the atmospheric gases, causing them to glow like neon lights. The colors of the auroras depend on the type of gas and the altitude of the collision. Oxygen produces green and red hues, while nitrogen creates purple and blue. Together, they paint the sky in vibrant waves. This awe-inspiring phenomenon, known as the Aurora Borealis in the north and the Aurora Australis in the south, is a constant reminder of our connection to the sun, a dazzling result of solar winds meeting Earth's magnetic embrace. The next time you see the northern or southern lights, remember, you're witnessing the universe at play, where solar winds and our planet's magnetosphere join forces to create a spectacle like no other.
Like and share this video to spread the beauty of auroras. Comment your thoughts what fascinates you the most about auroras. Don't forget to subscribe for more cosmic wonders. Let us know what space phenomena you'd like us to explore next.